goody, y'all? Hey y'all, it's Cass. Welcome back to my channel. If you're OG, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new on my channel, I talk a lot about DIY content creation toward the goal of becoming a DIY superstar, rock star, or whatever you're trying to do with your life. But today's video, you guys, I want to kind of get a little bit more personal, talk about kind of just the struggles that I found since I initially released a video about a year ago about taking on this journey of DIY superstardom and just kind of how it's felt going through it, and just overall trying to take myself seriously within this realm. I think for me, when I first thought about going into music, I was always kind of hesitant, even though I've done it for a long time and just produced and was in the vicinity of it, especially within entertainment. I was always hesitant because I felt like it was something that I needed to start earlier, or I needed to know more about, or I needed to have more connections or be more extroverted to do. So it was kind of always something that I created in my mind that was pulling me back from actually just achieving what I wanted to achieve. And so one of my biggest goals for this year, not even this year, but just being 25, I just turned 25 in July, was just to really stop doubting myself and just go for it, because what's the worst that can happen at this point? With that being said, I just wanted to kind of go over 3 main things within this journey. So as far as my dreams, my goals, you guys already know I'm interested in being an artist, and I always say superstar because I don't want to just be an artist, I want to be a performer. I love performing in front of the camera, in front of people. I just love being, I don't even know. It's like I'm a Leo, but I'm not really like that kind of Leo that needs the attention on me all the time, but I do like the attention of performing. Like it's not like, I don't want to say I crave it, but I do enjoy it. So that's one time in my life where I actually do feel the Leo vibes, is whenever I'm out there performing in front of people. Next, to get more specific, you guys, I really want to focus on, of course, there's like the hip hop / pop genre, which you guys have kind of seen me been releasing. I've been doing a little bit of rap mixed with some pop, with a lot of influences from like Ash Nico, Missy Elliott's a big influence for me, but right now I'm trying to shift a little bit more into rock with hip hop with pop, so something inside of that quadrant. So I'm really excited for that. Whenever you guys get in this funk and you're just like, I can't do it, you just have to kind of have a purpose that you go back to. And I think the biggest thing for me is music inspires every aspect of my life. If I'm writing a script for film, if I'm driving to work, if I'm trying to get through something, music can affect my mood. It can get me through tough times. There's songs that I just associate with different moments of my life. So just the impact that music has, and I just really want to be a part of that impact, and I want to be able to inspire others like music has inspired me. So I think that's one of the biggest things for me. I really want people to listen to my music and go work out to it, dance to it. It's supposed to be really upbeat, almost like movie, action movie, sci-fi movie. Like it's supposed to be in that realm of just like cool. It's supposed to make you feel cool. Okay, so a big part of this plan, you guys, is I like to know how to do things really well. So even though I've been releasing music and I am a huge pioneer of just get started messy, and I did that. When I decided I was going to release music, I just went and created a song and released it. Now, in the meantime, in between time, behind the scene time, this is when you guys need to be enhancing your skills. So a big thing for me is singing lessons. I love to sing, but I can't necessarily hold a tune, we'll say that. So a big thing for me to learn is singing. So that's one of the top of my list. Another one is dancing. Like I said, I like to perform, so I think dancing is a huge part of that, and I really want to incorporate dancing in my videos. I'm very inspired by K-pop, love it. They get my hold my attention the whole time, Beyonce, etc. So I just know, for me, I gotta learn how to dance. I know a little thing or two. It's just I need to be able to nail down choreography faster. It needs to be like my usual ting. And then of course I already kind of scrubbed over a guitar, but guitar is a big thing for me. I really want to learn guitar. And then I don't have a piano in my apartment. My family has a piano. I'm actually a lot better at piano, and I do play piano, and it's a lot easier for me to learn songs on piano. So I do plan on purchasing a piano. So those are gonna be the biggest things for me, you guys, as far as lessons go: singing, dance, piano, guitar. But you guys, I can't afford all these lessons, or at least the people I'm looking at right now, I can't pay for those. So I'm going to self-teach myself, which I've been saying I'm going to do, and I haven't necessarily kept up with, but I'm really trying to challenge myself to just 30 minutes a day, do 2 of the things. 30 minutes a day, sing for 30 minutes, dance for 30 minutes, and it's just a matter of me practicing, and then at the end recording whatever progress I have, moving on. If I want to rewatch it, I can rewatch it. If I want to send it to someone who knows what they're doing, or someone who can sing, and ask them for critique, then I'll do that. But the goal is just to practice, record, and then later on at the end of the month we'll check in on actual progress. If there's no progress being made, we'll change the strategy. If there is progress being made, great. Content creation, marketing, social media, getting the name out there. So I find a manager, you guys, who's going to run all this for me. You guys know we're all in the same boat. You're your own marketer, PR, A&R, or darn things. So therefore I did set aside some days that are for content, just creating content, creating this video content. So the purpose of content is just to get something out there, get something that is either going to educate people, educate and entertain people, but just something that people can see my face, they can see my personality, they can see what I do, how I do what I do. And that's the whole purpose of the actual content creation. This spans from the actual creation of music to graphics to videos to taking photos. So whatever content, I'm just gonna try to pump it out. Those are the big things, you guys, I have to do with my plan. So right now we're doing lessons, we're creating content, building an audience, and getting better at our craft, and see where we go from there. What's next? Of course, I have some music releases. I always have music in the repertoire. I also want to do more covers. I think covers would be fun to play around with, make your own, and then they already kind of have an audience behind them. So we're gonna do some covers there, here and there. And most of all, you guys, just increasing my confidence, or if you're struggling with taking yourself seriously, just that confidence booster. I think I saw someone said like your singing just gets 40%, 50%, I don't know what the science was behind it, but your singing just gets better based off of confidence. So there's certain things that, you know, it's just gonna have a lot to do with confidence. So just believe in yourself, you guys. We've got this. We're going through this journey together, and I am excited. I digress. Anyways, you guys, take yourself seriously. If this is what you want to do, then this is what you're going to do. Take yourself seriously. Go ahead and imagine the future. Go ahead and dream, and just see what you're going to accomplish once you reach the next goal, and the next goal, and the next goal. And yeah, make sure you guys get some sleep, because sleep is important. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different from my usual content, but I hope it is motivational and inspiring for anyone in the same boat as me who has been failing to take themselves seriously in whatever craft that you want to pursue. That seems a little outlandish to some people, but you got this, okay? Bye.